guys, and welcome back. Oh my gosh, so I know I keep going MIA, but it's just I can't help it. I think what I was kind of struggling with, if you guys have been with me since the beginning, I don't know really where my channel's been going. But guess what, guys? I finally found out what I think I'm gonna do. I'm going to try everything. So what I mean by that is my channel is going to be basically trying new things, trying new hobbies, trying new activities, trying new foods. I see my my protein taste test video is really taking off. So I'm going to be doing stuff like that. I'm going to try, you know, all these different things that people want to buy, but they don't actually want to try it unless they get some kind of review. So I'm definitely going to do stuff like that. I'm also today, which I'm going to try a new thing for me. I'm going to unclog. I know this sounds kind of gross, but I'm going to unclog my little, like, my bathtub. Like, it's clogged. And for the last like 2 months, I've really been struggling to declog that drain. And like, I know there's a ton of hair because I like, when I take a shower, my hair just like falls out. So I know the culprit is my hair and I want to take it out. And I really don't know how to do it. So I wanted to just pull it out, and you can't just pull it out. So I did YouTube, or I did Google, no, not Google. I did look up in YouTube how to unclog a drain. And I did find, you'll see here, right here, you'll see, I don't exactly know his name, so I'm just going to put in the information right here. I'm also going to put clips of him showing us how to unclog the what's it called? The drain from the bathtub. I'll show that as I'm doing it myself. Okay, this is my first time ever doing this. So first, don't laugh at me because I probably don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go off of his video and let's hope for the best. This is my first new video on how I'm gonna create my content. So let's go ahead and let's try it. So daddy is still working, so it's what, 7:30. He's working at night, so I'm gonna have the babies help me, right, babies?
Yeah.
Hi, say hi. Hi. Okay, first of all, mommy needs to go get pliers and a screwdriver, which we don't have in the house, so I'm gonna have to go to the garage.
Mama.
So hold on just 1 minute.
Alright,
Yes, guys, so I just went to the garage. I got overly excited. I should have taken you guys out to the garage because as soon as I opened like whatever kind of tool bag that we had, I got excited. I wanted to pull everything out. So I think, okay, brain fart. These are pliers. Pliers, right? Pliers. Okay, I'm gonna feel stupid if those aren't pliers. I don't know why I got these. I think these are like wire cutters. I don't think I need these, but I grabbed them anyways. And I know we needed a screwdriver. So I got a flathead. That's a flathead, right? Okay. Okay, like I said, this is my first time doing anything like this, but I'm so sick and tired of my drain because every time I take a shower, the water just like, it's like I have a plug in there. So like it just like goes up and up and up, and I'm like standing in water as I'm taking a shower, and it's pretty gross. So so anyways, yeah, so here's all our tools, and let's go up there and unclog this drain. All right, so I have to get the baby. Say hi, baby. Yes, she is naked. But we have to get the baby, and Mimi already left without us upstairs. So come on, let's go upstairs. She's like, Mom, what are you doing? Carrying the camera, carrying all the tools. Sorry guys, see the double chin there? Okay. Whew. Man, what a workout. There's the tools. There's this. Alright, baby, you're gonna sit on the bed, okay? Well, mommy gets this done. You see that stopper down there? That thing. That's what I was talking about. Right there. So every time I take a shower, like, this thing doesn't drain. Because I'm pretty sure that there's a whole bunch of hair in there. So let me get this at an angle so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. because I'm gonna be getting up in here. Ugh. All right. Ugh. Thank goodness for this tripod. All right, guys. All right. Let's see here. Like I said, not the best angle, but hey, that works. And excuse the messiness, but you know how it is. All right. So, like I saw in the video, okay, he put this stopper down. Oh, no, he pulled it up. He pulled it up. He said the 2-plier method, right? So here's a plier. And I got the big one for the outside part. And of course it doesn't fit. So we're just gonna have to wing it right there, okay? And the small one for the top. Because apparently you can just twist this, right? That's what he said. That's what the guy said. And he said if I can't, then there's another method. But no freaking way. Oh, I was gonna say. So because I don't have an actual plier that goes out more, or maybe I do. Hold on. Hold please. No, this is as wide as this goes. So I'm gonna try to hold this as best I can. And I'm gonna grab this one best I can. Tighten it up a little bit. Alright, so guys, this is where I'm at. Exactly where we started. Alright, this is a lot harder than I thought. So, I'm probably going to fast forward through it. And after I get it undone, I'll tell you exactly how long it took. Because it's not going to be that long on the video, but in real life, it's going to be a lot longer. But just continue to watch me struggle, okay? And for all of you guys out there who are laughing at me, yeah, you should laugh at me. Because I honestly have no clue what I'm doing. Well, no, actually I do, because I saw the video. I mean, come on. How hard can this be, right? I mean, alright, where's the pluggy? It's right there. Can you see? Alright, I'm struggling over here, getting you guys a good view. Can't you go like this, like when you do on a pickle jar, or you know when like you can't open a jar? Can you just like tap it and it'll like come off? Does that even work? Let's see. No, yeah, that didn't work. It was worth the try. Ugh, the thing's on there. That thing's on. Like super tight. Alright, let's go. I think it's just these pliers suck. Alright. Or maybe I suck. One of the two. I don't know. I know, right? What's wrong with mommy? I know. How am I going to have followers? They're going to be like, this girl don't know how to do nothing. Oh my god. Alright, well. Guys. Yes, baby.
What do you do with that wrench?
I'm trying to... Oh, is that what it's called?
Yeah.
That's called a wrench?
Yeah.
Oh god, I feel stupid now.
Mom, what you doing with the wrench?
Can you give me that right there? Oh my god, you guys. That's a wrench. My daughter told me that's a wrench, and I feel so dumb because I said pliers. My 2-year-old corrected me and said, Mom, that's a wrench. Did you guys not hear her? That's a wrench, guys. So, oops. Wrench, whatever, okay?
Yeah.
Because mommy doesn't know what the difference between pliers and a wrench is.
No.
I know, mommy's so dumb, huh?
Mama, can you put some more?
Alright, so now I gotta watch this video because I have no clue.
Screwdriver to get under this area. You would unscrew that. I've got the 2-plier method one. What I'm gonna do is
See, he called it pliers.
this in place,
I'm not dumb.
and
See, but his
another
pliers-
to
Wait.
loosen
Oh, those aren't pliers. So these are not pliers.
this.
This is a wrench.
So you can't do
So I feel dumb now.
it doesn't work for you, and you start to do it.
Oh, I know what a plier is, guys. Hold on.
Under there, you need to
Okay.
find out where that is and unscrew.
I have pliers. I know what pliers are. Hold, please. So, I just took a small break. And since my daughter corrected me and told me that the wrenches that I had weren't pliers, I finally looked at the guy's video and these are pliers. So I bet whoever was watching this from the beginning was probably like, oh my gosh, this poor girl is not going to be able to get it because she doesn't even know the difference between a wrench and a plier. So you're right, because it's already been like half an hour and I still got nowhere. So anyways, I'm hoping that with these pliers we can finally get a grip of the top and I can twist it. So let's go ahead and go back and try it. Thank you, Mimi. I think if my daughter never told me that those weren't pliers, I don't think I would have looked at the video again. I would have just kept struggling. Oh man. Well, you know, life happens. Hey, it's not like I ever went to a whatchamacallit school. What do you call it, people? Plumbing. It's not like I ever went to a plumbing school. Like, come on, guys. Let's see. Oh! I did it! Ah! I did it. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Because you told me that I was using a wrench and not pliers. And had I not changed those, I wouldn't have been able to go. Anyways, guys, I don't know if you guys could see. Oh, hold on. Let me turn this around so I know. Whoop. So, I finally got this piece off. Okay, watch out, baby. Go watch your sister. Finally got this piece off, and there's me. Hi. Finally got that piece off that was up here. Took half an hour, guys. Half an hour. So finally got that off. Thank goodness. Oh my goodness. Now, see how you need a screwdriver to unscrew that. That's what we're gonna do. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. You guys don't even know. I am like freaking out. Well, freaking out, and I'm shaking, but I'm shaking because I was pulling so hard on that thing. So, woohoo! All right, gets easier from here. All right, guys, moment of truth, okay? Just to let you know, this is probably gonna gross you out. So if you have a weak stomach, don't watch the next part. So let's see what was making all those decloggers not work. You guys want to know why those decloggers didn't work? Oh god. Ugh. I feel like I don't need gloves because it's my hair. But oh god, this is so gross. Here we go. Oh god. Oh my, this is disgusting. Oh my god. Nope. I need ew. Oh, Jesus. I just stuck it in there and it's disgusting. I need something to be able to grab it. Oh my god, this is really gross. Oh! It's like The Grudge. Oh god, this is so disgusting. Oh. If I didn't work in the ER for such a long time, this would probably gross me out. Oh. Let me see. I feel like there's more, but I can't stick my fingers in there because my fingers are fat. I mean, that's gotta be good, right? So that was pretty gross, guys. Okay. Yeah, let me. Ugh, I don't even want to touch my camera because it's so nasty. Ugh, look at that. Oh, it's like an animal. Ugh. Okay.
It's like an animal.
It's disgusting, huh?
Yeah.
Mommy had to take that out because let's see if it drains. Okay, so my problem was that it wasn't draining, right? Ah, look at it wet. Holy freaking Luia. I did that. Yep, that's right. Holy freaking Luia. I must say, this is a very proud moment in my life that I actually did something that I didn't think I was going to be able to do. I thought I was going to have to wait for my husband to do it. But you guys, I am freaking proud of myself. Thank you guys for watching me struggle unclogging my drain. This was an awesome experience. Like, I really had fun doing this, and I hope you had fun watching me do this and learning that I don't know any of my tools. So anyways, you guys, thanks again for coming back to my channel and, you know, supporting me randomly, because, you know, you never know when I'm going to post a video. I'm trying to get better, guys. I'm trying to post at least once a week. So, you know, now that I finally have like an idea of where my channel is going to go, I think I should be able to come out with at least a video every week, okay? So my new videos are going to be to try it or not to try it. And today we tried unclogging my drain and we did it. So I'm so happy. Our first video was a success. So anyways, thanks again, guys. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you again next time, okay? Bye.